Question 1. Which of the following is a physical change? A. Rusting of iron. B. Burning of paper. C. Melting of wax. D. Cooking of food. The correct answer is C. Melting of wax. Question 2. Which gas is produced when zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Hydrogen. Question 3. The process of conversion of liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called A. Boiling. B. Condensation. C. Evaporation. D. Freezing. The correct answer is C. Evaporation. Question 4. Which of the following substances undergoes sublimation? A. Common salt. B. Camphor. C. Sugar. D. Copper sulfate. The correct answer is B. Camphor. Question 5. Which property of matter is responsible for diffusion? A. Mass. B. Volume. C. Motion of particles. D. Shape. The correct answer is C. Motion of particles. Question 6. Which of the following metals can be cut easily with a knife? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Sodium. D. Zinc. The correct answer is C. Sodium. Question 7. The rust formed on iron is chemically A. Iron oxide. B. Iron hydroxide. C. Hydrated iron oxide. D. Iron carbonate. The correct answer is C. Hydrated iron oxide. Question 8. Which condition is not required for rusting of iron? A. Oxygen. B. Water. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Iron. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 9. The chemical name of baking soda is A. Sodium carbonate. B. Sodium bicarbonate. C. Calcium carbonate. D. Ammonium bicarbonate. The correct answer is B. Sodium bicarbonate. Question 10. Which gas turns lime water milky? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 11. Which of the following is a mixture? A. Distilled water. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Air. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is C. Air. Question 12. The process of separating insoluble solids from a liquid by allowing it to settle and then pouring off the clear liquid is called A. Filtration. B. Decantation. C. Evaporation. D. Sublimation. The correct answer is B. Decantation. Question 13. Which method is used to separate a mixture of iron filings and sulfur? A. Filtration. B. Evaporation. C. Magnetic separation. D. Sedimentation. The correct answer is C. Magnetic separation. Question 14. Which of the following is a pure substance? A. Soil. B. Air. C. Salt solution. D. Copper. The correct answer is D. Copper. Question 15. Which form of matter has the highest compressibility? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. Plasma. The correct answer is C. Gas. Question 16. The C unit of temperature is A. Degree Celsius. B. Degree Fahrenheit. C. Kelvin. D. Calorie. The correct answer is C. Kelvin. Question 17. Which change is reversible? A. Burning of coal. B. Rusting of iron. C. Melting of ice. D. Cooking of rice. The correct answer is C. Melting of ice. Question 18. Which component of air supports combustion? A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Oxygen. D. Argon. The correct answer is C. Oxygen. Question 19. The smell of perfume spreads in a room due to A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Diffusion. D. Sublimation. The correct answer is C. Diffusion. Question 20. Which of the following is not a metal? A. Iron. B. Sulfur. C. Aluminium. D. Copper. The correct answer is B. Sulfur. Question 21. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Silver. D. Aluminium. The correct answer is C. Silver. Question 22. Which substance is used to dry damp clothes faster? A. Salt. B. Alum. C. Heat. D. Camphor. The correct answer is C. Heat. Question 23. Which of the following shows maximum expansion on heating? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. All expand equally. The correct answer is C. Gas. Question 24. The formation of curd from milk is an example of A. Physical change. B. Chemical change. C. Reversible change. D. Periodic change. The correct answer is B. Chemical change. Question 25. Which of the following is a characteristic of chemical change? A. No new substance formed. B. Reversible. C. Formation of new substance. D. Change in state only. The correct answer is C. Formation of new substance. Question 26. Which gas is released during respiration? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 27. Which method is used to separate salt from seawater? A. Filtration. B. Sedimentation. C. Evaporation. D. Decantation. The correct answer is C. Evaporation. Question 28. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Iron. B. Mercury. C. Aluminium. D. Zinc. The correct answer is B. Mercury. Question 29. The ability of a substance to dissolve in another substance is called A. Diffusion. B. Solubility. C. Evaporation. D. Condensation. The correct answer is B. Solubility. Question 30. Which of the following substances is soluble in water? A. Sand. B. Oil. C. Sugar. D. Chalk powder. The correct answer is C. Sugar. Question 31. Which change involves absorption of heat? A. Freezing. B. Condensation. C. Melting. D. Deposition. The correct answer is C. Melting. Question 33. Which of the following is a man-made material? A. Cotton. B. Wool. C. Plastic. D. Silk. The correct answer is C. Plastic. Question 34. Which process separates cream from milk? A. Filtration. B. Evaporation. C. Centrifugation. D. Sublimation. The correct answer is C. Centrifugation. Question 35. Which of the following is an example of alloy? A. Iron. B. Brass. C. Copper. D. Aluminium. The correct answer is B. Brass. Question 36. Which substance is used to test the presence of carbon dioxide? A. Litmus solution. B. Lime water. C. Salt solution. D. Copper sulfate. The correct answer is B. Lime water. Question 37. Which property allows metals to be drawn into wires? A. Malleability. B. Ductility. C. Conductivity. D. Hardness. The correct answer is B. Ductility. Question 38. Which type of change occurs when sugar dissolves in water? A. Chemical change. B. Irreversible change. C. Physical change. D. Periodic change. The correct answer is C. Physical change. Question 39. Which gas is essential for burning? A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Oxygen. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Oxygen. Question 40. Which material is used to make electrical wires? A. Plastic. B. Rubber. C. Copper. D. Or wood. The correct answer is C. Copper. Question 41. Which factor increases the rate of evaporation? A. Low temperature. B. High humidity. C. Large surface area. D. No wind. The correct answer is C. Large surface area. Question 43. The process by which a solid directly changes into gas is called A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Sublimation. D. Freezing. The correct answer is C. Sublimation. Question 44. Which of the following materials is brittle? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Glass. D. Aluminium. The correct answer is C. Glass. Question 45. Which of the following is a harmful effect of rusting? A. Increase in strength. B. Decrease in weight. C. Damage to iron objects. D. Improved appearance. The correct answer is C. Damage to iron objects. Question 46. Which of the following is a known renewable resource? A. Wind. B. Solar energy. C. Coal. D. Water. The correct answer is C. Coal. Question 47. Which type of mixture has uniform composition throughout? A. Heterogeneous. B. Suspension. C. Colloid. D. Homogeneous. The correct answer is D. Homogeneous. Question 48. Which method is used to separate dyes in ink? A. Filtration. B. Chromatography. C. Evaporation. D. Decantation. The correct answer is B. Chromatography. Question 49. Which metal reacts vigorously with water? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Sodium. D. Silver. The correct answer is C. Sodium. Question 50. Which of the following substances does not dissolve in water? A. Salt. B. Sugar. C. Sand. D. Alum. The correct answer is C. Sand. Question 51. Which process changes vapor into liquid? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Sublimation. D. Freezing. The correct answer is B. Condensation. Question 52. Which of the following is an example of slow chemical change? A. Burning of paper. B. Explosion of firecracker. C. Rusting of iron. D. Bursting of balloon. The correct answer is C. Rusting of iron. Question 53. Which component of air is used by plants during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide.